Hello everyone, welcome back for another shave. I hope that all of you are doing well. Today I'm gonna shave with Outdoor Man by Stirling Soap Company. This set I borrowed from Brett from Making a Great Shave. He's becoming the official software sponsor of the channel, so make sure to check his channel on YouTube or Instagram profile. He's doing daily reviews of splashes and soaps. Yeah, fantastic content. So make sure to check him out and maybe comment in one of his videos. Thanks for his generosity. He's offering to lend me a lot of his sets so we can check them together and I can experience and smell way more soaps than what I can afford even store, not only purchasing. So let's jump to the scent notes. Over here I have my notes prepared for this one. So this one is an homage to Crete, Bois do Portugal. I hope that I didn't butcher the pronunciation too much. I'll leave maybe a note how the name is spelled so you can search for it online. So this is an elegant amber woody blend. Opens with bright bergamot, transitions to aromatic lavender, and it dries down with rich base of sandalwood, cedar, vetiver, and ambergris or ambergris. I don't know how to pronounce this one as well, but very pleasant, fresh, masculine, and perfectly blended to my nose scent. It's just clean, pleasant. Yeah, you can just use it any day, anytime. So good. When I smell it, I have an image of pine trees early in the morning, and there is a little bit of a fog. Funny enough, when I smelled it for the first time, there was a similar image in a coffee shop when I met Brett, and I was able to put my nose on it. So that's exactly where this scent takes me. So today we're gonna face lather, and I'm gonna use my Wald synthetic brush, very soft synthetic, not Brett is a face latherer, so he tub loads. I don't want to scrape too much from the pore to kind of like destroy that look. So I'll gently load my brush. I have his permission, and after that I'll clean the soap. So let's hop into it. Just added some water, squeezed most of it so I can load the brush. Stirling is a great performing soap. I used it a few times already on the channel. So if you watch some of the videos, you already know. But I don't recall if I face lathered with it on the channel. You can see it's going really easily. The soap was dry, just my damp brush. Swirled it a few times. The smell is so good. I'm telling you, that's awesome. I'm gonna collect some of the lather from the container and wash the soap. Already wet my face. I rinse the soap and I'm gonna let it dry now over here. And let's move to the face lathering. That knot is very soft and pleasant to the skin. You can see just the water that this knot is holding. It can hold a lot of water. Is enough to get the creaminess going quite quickly. Really easy to lather. I'm a regular bowl latherer, but you see with Stirling, there is really no issue to get the lather going. You don't need much work. And if you like dense, creamy lather, we're already at a good spot. We'll just hydrate it a tad more because my skin is quite dry. And that was very light and gentle load with the brush. You see that a little soap goes a really long way. Okay, for the razor today, I'm gonna use again my Alpha shaving in collaboration with Stubble Meat Steel, the Guido stainless steel. Love this razor. I'm gonna use the solid bar again. Still haven't used the open comb. I just enjoy this one so much. And today inside I try big Astor blade to see how it feels. First pass. Love the smell of this one as the lather stays on my face, and I can feel that the entire bathroom smells really fresh and clean, pleasant, wonderful scent. And this soap, from the description online, it was mentioned that originally it was released for Black Friday. Not sure how many years ago, maybe last year, maybe a couple of years ago. And the customers liked it so much that they really requested or voted to keep it as a regular offering. And I think that this is the case now. It's available and it's not a limited edition or once a year released. And I can see why. There's such a good smell, very pleasant, very well blended. I don't know how close it is to the original. Brett mentioned he has the Creed Boa do Portugal. Apologies once again for the butchered pronunciation. And he said that it's quite close and he likes them both. And I'm sure that he did a review of it. So once again, go to his channel or his Instagram and check it out. He's way better at explaining scents and really presents them on a very accessible way. But it's very useful if you are considering buying a splash or a specific fragrance, if you wonder how it feels. Sorry, how it feels on the face and how it smells as well. Because he also explains how the dry down and the splash feels. The soap performs great once you reintroduce water after you glide your razor. The residual slickness is really excellent. As expected from Stirling, great performer for the price that you pay. Really hard to beat. You get a lot of soap, good performing base, easy to lather, great structure, fantastic slickness. Yeah, what else can you ask for? Second pass, cross the grain. Excellent first and second pass. Went over a couple of pimples so far without an issue. We'll see how it will be after the third pass. That light coating will be enough, but if you're wondering if there is more lather, boom. Plenty of lather in the brush. Whoop, big blob down. And you can see the peaks, great stuff. Third pass against the grain. That razor is just so comfortable, especially against the grain. A lot of people reach to me after I released the Guido first shave video, and they were asking me how can they purchase this razor. And the best way to do is go to the Alpha website or Instagram profile, send message or email to Steve from Alpha, let him know, hey, do you plan to release more of the Guido? If there is enough interest, he needs to reach certain number in order to release another batch of these. Highly recommending reaching out, bother him, tell him that you want to purchase, tell your friends to do the same. So yeah, this one, in my opinion, I already told Steve, he should keep it as a regular razor that it's available. Looks great, performs great, it's good stuff. So comfortable, you want to keep buffing and buffing. We're gonna skip the album today. That will be the first time when I use Stirling Splash, and I know that some people find it a little bit too strong with a lot of alcohol. This one, as you can see on the side, let's see if the camera can focus. Yeah, if you're interested, you can pause and read through the ingredients, but alcohol, witch hazel, of course, aloe for your skin. Yeah, good stuff. We'll see how my skin will react to it. I love the bottles. Very classy, slightly vintage looking glass bottles. Good stuff. And of course the signature label with the green details. Really, really nice. That smell. Okay, just gentle splash. Few drops. Nice and easy, so it's really easy with the restrictor here to control the amount of splash. Of course, I just tilted it sideways. Don't want to overdo it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can feel the alcohol kick, that's for sure. Nothing crazy though. Just a light tingling. And I'm telling you, that smell is just so good. Yeah, there is probably a little bit more woodiness here, but it's not overwhelming. The balance stays the same, fresh, clean, pleasant. Fantastic shave. Okay, let's recap. What did I use today? My Wald brush, still a little bit of lather here. I squeezed most of it. My Guido stainless steel with a regular base plate over here. Fantastic razor. I'm so happy with it. It's hard to use another razor now. I'm in the honeymoon period, of course, with a new razor. You want to use it and use it. And matching splash and soap, the Outdoor Man by Stirling Soap Company. Once again, thanks to Brett. He was kind enough to allow me to use his set. That's a really good one. And yeah, I keep on repeating like a parrot. Fantastic scent. I really like this one. And Sterling, great value and great performing soap. Really nice splash. I don't have a problem with the alcohol. It was just fine. I enjoyed it, and the smell. Oh boy, I'm gonna enjoy this smell for the rest of the day, I believe. Because yeah, it's nice trend, and I will hopefully get it to last throughout the entire day. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.